name is Jelle, founder and CEO of Distrylink, e-commerce company in Belgium. Before we started working together with Caret IT, we were in the market for looking for a full service provider who had all the technological know-how in-house to service for our project. We found Caret IT via Upwork, and as from day one, the contact was very good. They were very responsive, and they understood our needs. The biggest hesitation from our side was the fact that we are 1,000 kilometers separated from each other. So my idea was that communicating with a party that is 1,000 kilometers away would be very challenging, but although that works very fine. Caret IT, for me, they stand out because they have a lot of technological know-how in-house to service us from A to Z, and that was compared with their competitors a point that they stood out. What made me happiest working with Caret IT is the fact that they respect our deadlines, our planning, and our budget, and they are very closely looking into it that we don't go over budget and that we respect our deadlines. We were able to achieve a very complex, or the delivery of a very complex project due to working together with Caret IT. As I said, they don't only have a lot of Odoo knowledge in-house, but they also know a lot about other applications and how to integrate everything, and what is the importance of a stable ecosystem. I would definitely recommend Caret services to a friend due to the fact that they have a lot of knowledge in-house, and they're very communicative and very responsive to questions or to issues. An example of how Caret IT went the extra mile is the fact that when we were going live last year in October, we had an issue during that go live date, and they really did everything that was needed to make sure that we would respect the go live date. The post-sales implementation relationship is very good. They still are very responsive to issues, to new questions, to new cooperations. So my idea is that for 2020 we still keep on working with Caret IT. Thank you.